Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to target US audience on Instagram. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. Here, after opening it, tap on the plus icon. Here you guys can choose your photos or videos that you want to upload. You guys can also add your stories from here. After choosing the photo that you want to add, tap on next. Here at the edit section you guys can edit your photos. Then you guys can also add musics if you want to add. After that, tap on next, and here you guys can find out a lot of options. At the top you guys can find out add location. Now tap on here, and then you have to search about the USA location that you want to add on your post. For example, I'm gonna add this one, Texas, USA, and then you guys can share it. Through this process you guys can target US audience. Now share it. So this is how you guys can add US audience on Instagram. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.